itong droga, pati itong mga iyo, you know, if they would ask you how I would describe them, just tell them that the mayor has said you're a Alam mo doon sa ano nila, bagong material na pinadala, that instead of killing them, which I am not also inclined to do every time, na magtayo na lang tayo ng centers. If he wants shabu, we give it to him. Then he wants cocaine, bibigyan rin natin. So there must be some, all over the town, they want to set up clinics and distribute shabu, marijuana, medicinal o kaya para kagaya daw sa kanila doon. State of Washington, pati yung mga gunggong talaga. Mga inutil itong puti. Totoo lang. I'm forced to, alam mo pag ganon ang salita, although it is not expressed in terms of gutter language or slang, street slang, the proposal itself is odious to me. It's despicable, actually. Kaya binababoy ko itong mga ulol na ito. Naluko ba kayo? And you know, we must also realize that itong mga iyo, do not be so parang pontifications ninyo. For after all, you are ahead of the industrialization age. Why? Because you conquered lands. You got the oil of the Arabs to build your industries way ahead than ours. Dito sa Far East, you conquered Indonesia, Malaysia, the Philippines. Got the best of our lands, live off with the fat of the lands, and you think now that you are the educated one and you should be listened to. And you come up with this morality. Do not impose your, whatever it is, your values and everything, because we hate you for being a hypocrite.